This voice is simply a representation of the field of which you are all connected to, you always have been. It is simply that you have a larger view now. You have the power to change your reality. Will you accept and act on this? That is up to you. You do not need this voice to validate you. You will feel the validation within yourself that this is true. But one must move into it of their own accord, with their own inspiration and excitement. That is the key. It is very, very simple. Very simple. Begin the conversation with yourself and your Creator. Generate this movement now, and you will feel the glory. You will feel the acknowledgement. You will feel your purpose now. Remember who you are. Are you willing to remember who you are? There are no stories here. There are no new characters to assign to you. It is about letting the old characters go and the old stories go so that you may know fully who you are and manifest it on earth. And we are in awe of you always. For you are the ones who have taken this massive journey through consciousness to arrive here and hear these words. Hear this encouragement now. That you have an opportunity to transcend the limitations and to meet your Source Creator and live fully.